Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically send quotation for security guard service to client on WhatsApp when they inquire on website. So let's take an example that you are a security guard service agency owner and you are running a website online for the promotion of your business. You have already created an inquiry segment in your website where you have an inquiry form for the customers. Now, you want that whenever a customer fills that inquiry form from any source like website, social networking sites or personally, automatically the quotation for your security guard service should be sent to the customers on their WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of the customers from the form from your website, then compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your security guard service quotation to their WhatsApp number and send it to the customers. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process and it becomes difficult when you have large number of customers in a single day. So how you're going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a new form is submitted on your website, automatically your quotation for the security guard service will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. But here there is one problem that there is no direct connection between Elementor Forms and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Elementor Form with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Here we are using Elementor Form to collect the responses. In place of Elementor Form, you can use any other form building software application like JotForms, Pabbly Form Builder, Google Forms, etc. So let us check this in the real time. This is my website page and this is the form which I have attached on the website. This is the brochure which I have saved in my Google Drive, the quotation, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever the customer fills this particular form, the brochure which is saved, the quotation which is saved in my Google Drive, the same quotation should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. Okay. Now let us fill this form first. I'll just give the name as Adam Smith. I'll give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. I'll give the mobile number over here. And I'll just give the message as please share the quotation. Okay. And now let's click on submit. The form was sent successfully. Okay. Now let us check whether the customer has received any message on his WhatsApp number or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp and here we can find a message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in A to Z security guard service. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our security agency. Link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, A to Z Security Guard Service. Okay. Now let us check this link also. I'll just open this link and let's see what is there inside this link. And here we can find the quotation of our security service. Okay. So here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here on my website and automatically the quotation which is saved into my Google Drive, this quotation is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number along with a message. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'll be showing you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor Form with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. Using that webhook URL, we have to create an integration between Elementor Form and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Elementor Form and Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Elementor Forms. Step 3. Send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Elementor Form, the same data will be used and a WhatsApp message will be sent to the customers on their WhatsApp number, and here we are going to use the software application that is 360 Dialog for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Elementor Form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. Here in the All Apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. Here I have given the name as Send Security Guard Service Quotation on WhatsApp. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger, what is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the form on your website, automatically your security guard service quotation should be sent on the WhatsApp number to the customer. So in the trigger window, we have to search the application as Elementor Form. In the trigger event, we have to click New Form Submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL is displayed. So we have to simply copy this webhook URL. Okay. Now here we can see waiting for webhook response. It means Pabbly Connect is waiting for the webhook response. For that, we have to go to our website page, website form, and we have to fill the entry over there. And before that, we have to paste the webhook URL and we have to create an integration between Elementor Form and Pabbly Connect. So let us move to the pages which I have created. This is my WordPress account. Using this account, I have just created several pages over here. I'll just go to this A to Z Security Guard service and I'll just click on Edit with Elementor. So this is the website page which I have created and this is the website form which I have attached to this particular page. Here I have asked for the name, email address, mobile number of the customer along with the message. Now here on the left side we can find actions after submit option. Click on this and click on add action just on this plus sign. And here we have to select webhook. As we select this webhook, option webhook is activated over here. Again we have to open this and here it is asking for the webhook URL. So we have to simply paste the webhook URL over here and now click on update. Okay, it is updated now. Now we have to fill this particular form to capture the response. For that I'll just go to the page. Okay, and here I'm just going to give the name as Shikha Arya, her email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. I'll just give her mobile number and the message, please share the quotation. Okay, and now let's click on submit. The form was sent successfully. Okay, now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received. Name Shikha Arya, her email address, mobile number, message, please share the quotation, form ID and form name. All the details of the customer are captured over here. Okay, now I want to send the quotation to this particular customer. For that I'll just come to this action window. Here in the application we are going to select 360 dialog. In the action event we are going to select send template message. Let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay. So first we have to go to 360 dialog account and from there we will be moving to WhatsApp account page. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to click on WhatsApp accounts, and here we can find generate API key option. So you have to click on generate API key. Once the API key is generated, copy that API key, go to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for different connections and various workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Okay. Now domain, let us read the instructions. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given. Okay, I will simply copy this example and I will paste the example over here. So whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. Okay. Now after submitting the API key here and the domain name, click on save. As I already have a connection with my previous API key, my already created API key, so I am just clicking on choose existing connection and I will just click on save. And now 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a template option is required. Okay, template is required. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, then only the same template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So that is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. For that, I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog once again. And here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Now here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. Okay. If you want to create a new template, simply click on this plus sign, add template. Here you can give the template name. You can select the category as per your requirement. Several categories are available over here. You can select the language as per your choice. You can select the template type over here. And then you can give the body of the template, that is the text that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then you have to click on preview and submit, and then it will be sent for the approval. And once it is approved by Facebook, then you can use the template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. I'll just close this window. Okay. And now here I'll just open the template that I have already created and got it approved, that is send brochure final. I'll just open this template. Now here you can read the template, hello. So I have given 1, 2, 3 some numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking, what are these numbers and why these are in curly braces? So these are the body fields, and the values for these body fields are going to change every time according to the customers. Okay. I'll just read the template. Hello. Here the name of the customer is going to come. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your agency name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our. Then again you can give your agency name over here. You can give the link of your brochure or the quotation over here. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your agency name is going to come. So we are going to select this template, send brochure final in Pabbly Connect. Let us select send brochure final. Now here the namespace and language code is automatically captured. We are not going to change anything over here. Now here we have to give recipient mobile number. So the recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message. So we are going to map the mobile number, this one which we have got from our Elementor form from the website. So let us map the mobile number here from Elementor form. One more important information, enter the recipient mobile number with country code. Example is also given +91. So as we are in India, we use the country code, that is +91 before the number. If the country code is missing in the mobile number, then you have to paste the country code in front of the mobile number. Okay. As you can see, the country code is already there in this particular number. So I am not going to change anything and I am not going to add anything. Okay. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. Here in the template, the first parameter we require is hello, the name of the customer. So let us map the name from Elementor form, that was Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. So in our template body field 2, thank you for showing your interest in. Here our agency name is going to come, and our agency name is A to Z Security Guard Service. Okay, so I'll just type A to Z Security Guard Service. Okay. Now body field 3, example is given software. In our template, meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in. Here we can give security agency. So let us go to Pabbly Connect and let us type security agency over here. Okay. Now body field 4, here we can give the link. In our template also the link is required. So I have just pasted the quotation in my Google Drive over here. This is A to Z security service quotation. So I'll simply make a right click on this and I'll click on share option. Here I'll find the option that is get link. Simply click on copy link. The link is copied to the clipboard. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and simply paste the link over here. Now here we have to give body field 5, that is a website address. Here in our template also we can see that the website address is to be given. So I'll just go to the website page over here. I'll simply copy this link from here. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the link over here. And last, body field 6. Here we have to, example is given Pabbly. In our template also, thank you, regards, and here we have to give the agency name. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I'll just simply copy this agency name from here and I will be pasting it over here. Okay, and now let us click on save and send test request. Okay, so the response is received. So now let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer, whether the customer has received any message or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. Okay, the page is getting loaded. Okay, and here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z Security Guard Service. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our security agency. Link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, thank you, regards A to Z Security Guard Service. Okay, so now here the first parameter was Shikha Arya. Second parameter was A to Z Security Guard Service. Third parameter we have given was security agency. Fourth parameter the link was given. Fifth we have given the website, and sixth we have given this agency name once again. So here we can see that all our parameters are properly displayed over here in the message. Now let us check this link also. I'll open the link and let's see what is there inside this link. And here we can see A to Z security service quotation.pdf. Okay, and a PDF file is shared with the customer. So here we can see that a correct message is displayed to the customer with the correct link. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now let us check this in the real time. For that, again we'll be going to our website page, and here we are going to fill the details of any of the new customer. So I'll just give the name as Sanjay Sharma. Let's give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 85@gmail.com. Let's give his mobile number and let's give the message as please share the brochure. Okay, and now let's click on submit. Okay, the form was sent successfully. Now let's check whether the customer has received any message on his WhatsApp number or not. Let's go to WhatsApp, and here we can see, hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z service. Okay, so the same message is displayed over here also. Now let us check this link. And here I can find the same link of the PDF file, A to Z security service quotation. Okay, and the quotation is shared with the customer. So in this way that we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine, and the messages are sending on the WhatsApp number of the customers. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us just minimize all these windows and see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the inquiry form on the website, the quotation form, automatically the WhatsApp message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the security guard service quotation. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Elementor Form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.